Hi there. This is a very quick screencast just to show how you can make interactive text on WordPress in one of your WordPress blog posts. So you can put text that will appear when you hover over a link in a blog post. In other tools, this is a little simpler to do just within the editor that you use to create content in WordPress. It's not available in the standard editor side. You have to go to the HTML side. So I'm just going to show you quickly how this works. So I'm going to add a new post. And I'm just going to give it some quick, simple text. You'll notice here there's a visual side, which gives you all of these buttons. And there's a text brackets HTML side that gives you just a few buttons. And so on the HTML side, a paragraph has a p tag to it. So I'm just going to do a simple sentence like that. And what I want to do is have some interaction happening with the word moose there. So I'm going to jump over to the moose article on Wikipedia. Nice thing about Wikipedia is that everything here is Creative Commons licensed, so I'm not going to feel too bad about grabbing a snippet of text from here. I'll pop over here. And so I'm going to add a little bit of HTML, an anchor tag, which helps me link this word to another spot on the internet. But I'm also going to use a title element in this. So I had the first one, which is the href, which is where I'd put the URL for the site I want to link to. But here I'm going to use the title element. And so I close this opening tag, and in the title I'm going to paste that text that I wanted to put in. And so after the word moose, I'm going to close this anchor tag. Notice the \A, that's closing the anchor tag. I'm going to come back here to the Wikipedia page. I'm going to grab that URL. And over here, I'm going to paste that into the href element. And notice when I paste it in, even though it didn't show it on the tag, it starts off with HTTP or HTTPS : // That's the standard full, URL. So I'm going to, I'll publish it. I could just save the draft, but I'll publish it. And now we'll go and view the post in another tab. And so if I hover over this, I then get a little bit of text that I put in there. So the handy thing with this is, it's one thing you can, you link this word moose. I've linked it to the moose Wikipedia page, but maybe people just want a bit of information, and so I've added that in. If you just hover over, then you get this bit of explanation. So this is a simple interactive text. One thing to remember about this is that this works on laptops and desktops. Most mobile devices don't have a hover ability, so you won't get the same kind of effect on an iPad. A few have this kind of a capability, but most don't. Anyway, I hope this is a help to explain how we do this interactive text. I think it's really useful to use in lots of areas for online teaching and learning.